Hi.
Hey.
Sorry, we're kind of
We're lost. Do you know where the exit is? How to get out?
Right there. Turn left.
So right here and then turn left? Yep. Okay, so right to the aisle and then turn left. Okay. So basta dito kami sa ano, kakanan kami dyan, tapos kaliwa, tapos diretso lang palabas.
Pinahirapan mo ako nakakaintindi ka pala ng Tagalog eh.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are here sa Taytay. Handa na kami sa shopping hall namin ngayon. So we're gonna split up. It's gonna be the boys and the girls, me and Brian, and Shanta and Jonalyn. Shopping pa more. Maghiwalay na tayo, Shanta.
Where are we meeting? You stick with him and then she's gonna go. Do you have your phone? Okay.
At what, 6 p.m.?
Okay.
6 p.m.?
Ano ba yan? Oh, I'm so excited.
Bye-bye, Shanta.
We are going down.
let's go first.
Love you. Bye-bye, honey.
Don't know you.
Bye.
Love you, honey.
Bye. Alright, it is a boys' night out tonight.
Boys' night
out.
Let's go find some sweatpants.
You're beautiful, shine like a star.
Alright, where do we start, Brian?
I don't know. We gotta go into the maze.
Si Brian po ang tour guide ko ngayong araw. Wow, may sweatpants tayo dito.
Yeah, I like the athletic, you know, kind of look. That's my thing, and it's so
Nice.
I can just use it for the gym if I don't want to feel like walking around.
Takot yan, ha, kay Buyay. Pasok na tayo sa maze na to. Oh. Ayaw ni Shanta sumama sa amin kasi baka daw mas mahal ang ibenta sa kanya. Marikina made sapatos. Ho ho ho. All the way from Marikina. Yeah, sure. Picture tayo. Picture tayo. Kasama ka, easy. Picture na.
Vlog. Hi, vlog.
Say hi to the vlog. Nasa YouTube na kayo.
Kilala po namin kayo.
Sige, picture tayo.
Yes, jump.
200 pesos lang para sa mga pantalon na to. English only prank gawin natin ulit dito sa Taytay, alright? So, we'll switch to English mode now.
I kasabot. I understand.
How you doing?
Yes.
You have Nike shoes?
Yes.
Yeah, Nike shoes. Cool. What are your Nike shoes made out of?
This replica.
Oh, replica?
Oh,
replica of Nike?
replica.
Oh, awesome, man. Cool. Well, do they come from China or where do they come from?
Ano ba yan, kuya?
Putin tayo na.
What's that?
Putin tayo na.
China.
Oh, in China? Okay.
One place in China.
Okay. Magkano po yung pinakamura?
That's 550.
550?
Oh,
ayan.
550 only.
Ang galing. 550.
You speak in Tagalog.
May bawas ba yun, kuya? May tawad ba dyan? 450. Ano?
No, 500 only.
500 only. Ah, sige. Yan ang hinahanap ko. Yan. Sige, okay. So, kaliwa. Tapos diretso na.
Oh,
ayan.
alam mo naman eh. Nagsusok mo lang ako eh.
The tent.
The tent.
We are in the tent. Masaya dito sa Taytay. Daming murang damit. Masaya dito basta mura. Hello.
Marunong ka mag-Bisaya.
Kunsa na?
Isa ka, marunong nga siya.
Oo, kapag lagi ko mag-Bisaya.
I always watch your vlog.
Ay, salamat.
Why?
Nasa nag-shopping din siya, malapit siya dito. Oo. Nagba-boys night out kami. Hindi yata pwedeng mag-English prank dito. May nakilala sa akin. Alam nila na nagtatagalog ako. I just want shoes, really.
Oh,
shoes,
yeah.
because like my shoes are so old.
Yeah.
Peke na Converse, peke na Nike, peke lahat. Ayan, hanapin natin yung ganun. Okay. Oh, that fits perfectly, dude.
Does it?
I'm size 10. Size 10 pala ako eh.
I guess so.
Yan.
You got some room in there.
It's like, Bro, are your sunglasses polarized? Are they polarized? Like, you know, do they reflect the sunlight? They do? Yeah. What are they, how much are they? 50 pesos. 50 pesos, okay. Kasi yung hinahanap ko po, parang yung...
Yes, salamat.
Good
Ikaw,
pick.
gusto ka?
Oh, gusto ko yan.
Ah, sige.
Bibili ako niyan.
Ganahan siya.
Yeah.
Not bad, not bad.
China, no?
Thank you, Kuya. What was your friend? Oh, your name again?
Victor Wood.
Victor. Victor.
Yes.
Hey, Victor.
Taga Marawi.
Yeah, taga sa Marawi.
Paturo kami mag-Maranaw.
Oh.
Ay, isang sentence lang. Pwede magturo sa akin.
Okay. Assalamualaikum.
Oh, so, alaikum salam.
Oh.
Walaikum salam. Walaikum salam.
If they say salam alaikum, you just say it backwards. Alaikum salam. Because it just means peace be upon you.
Ayan, ano sa Maranaw na. Si Ahisi pala marunong mag-Maranaw. Magkano po to ate?
220 po.
220, pwedeng 200 na lang. 200?
Apo.
Ayan, 200.
How do you say?
100 na lang. Meron po mga taong dito na hindi nakakinig, walang pandinig nila. So mag-sign language muna tayo, okay? T-A-L-O-H. Sign language pa more.
Mark?
Yeah, Mark.
Mark?
Mark and hey, Yama. They can't hear kasi.
Ano ginagawa nila?
A N A-E-L Angelo? Angelo. Angelo ang pangalan niya. Ayan.
Angelo.
Look who it is. It's Mrs. Woolley again and her friends. Meron akong nahanap dito na malaking daga. Woo! It's so small. Shanda, go say hello to the puppy. Shanda.
Busy siya. Oh my God, bang ulo. Ba't po ang late niya?
Shanda, lapitan mo.
Pick up yan, eh. Pick up natin.
Pinibenta din yan. Magkano? 3,800. Ay, seryoso ka pala. Gabi na po. Uwi na ata tayo.
Okay.
Tama na yung binili ko.
Ang papasukan namin yung D-Way only.
Dwayne Woolley.
Twin.
Dwayne. Parang Dwayne Wade ba? Dwayne Wade. Anong pangalan mo, kuya?
Bong.
Bong?
Yes.
Bong.
Hi, Kuya Bong.
Yes.
Yung apelido mo po, Marcos? Marcos joke. Ladies and gentlemen, Ahisi and I are done for the day. Now we're just waiting for our wives.
Tapos na standby.
Tambay lang muna.
There's lots of people that are all from a particular place.
Yeah. Basically 90% of the people we met here are all from Marawi. In fact, all these stores here in front of us, every single one from there to there. Yeah. Old Bong was telling me they're all from Marawi. Lahat sila. Naghanap buhay dito sa Manila.
Tula-tula din.
Yep, we'll do a screenshot. Sa wakas, makakauwi na tayo! Yay!
Yeah, it's really clean and nice here.
It is, it's really cool. I like the outdoor market kind of feel. It looks so pretty at night.
It's even cheaper at nighttime.
I wonder if it'll be cheaper at nighttime for us though.
Yeah, we're still white, so it doesn't matter.
Maputi pa rin kami kahit sa gabi. Alright, Shanta, time to go home.
Okay, let's go.
Tapos na ang vlog mo, bebe. Ayan, tara na sa bahay.
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you.